Now you are ready to get down to work. First off, use a vernier caliper to measure the length of the workpiece up to which the outer diameter turning has to be done. Use the carriage handle to bring the tool post near the workpiece. Advance the tool bit into the work until it just touches the surface of the workpiece. Give it a mark on the required length. Make a trial depth cut to expose concentric surface. Use this diameter as a reference to make the ensuing cuts. Use a vernier caliper to measure this diameter and also make a note of this dimension. Now that you have a reference diameter and you also know the diameter to be made, you can easily calculate the total depth of cut required to make the diameter. The next step here is to carry out the zero setting on the cross slide tile. Using the cross slide feed handle, advance the tool bit. This will let you know the depth of the cut you have already made and further help you make the subsequent cuts without repeated measurements of the turned diameter. Here it is important to recognize that in a turning operation, each cutting pass removes twice the amount of metal indicated by the cross-slide feed divisions. This is because you are reducing the radius of the workpiece by the indicated amount, which reduces the diameter by twice the amount. Therefore, when advancing the cross-slide by 0.5 mm, the diameter is reduced by 1 mm. Continue performing the OD turning operation. Give subsequent cuts till you achieve the required diameter. Before giving one last final cut, measure the diameter with a vernier caliper. Let's quickly recapitulate the steps involved in OD turning. Step 1. Demarcate the workpiece length. Step 2. Make a trial depth cut. Step 3. Set the cross-slide dial. Step 4. Give subsequent cuts. Step 5. Give the finishing cut.